Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up Java on Visual Studio Code. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So for that, let me just quickly open my VS Code here. And the first thing you need to do is you just need to go to this extension here and search for Java extension pack. So just search for that. And let me just go into this extension pack for Java. So here you will be able to see all these packages here. So at one time, it will install the 7 packages for writing the Java program. So let me just click on install here. So this will install the extension. So once all the packages are installed, so if I just click here on Explorer, so you will be able to see this option of creating the Java project. So let me just click on this create Java project. And let me just click on this no build tool and just choose the desktop location and select the folder. And let me just write something like demo project, or you can give any name. So here the Java project has been created. So let me just go into this app.java file. And if I just right click here and just click on this run Java, so this will run the Java program. So this is how you configure your VS Code for writing Java program. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.